Welcome to the best picks. The best Samsung Tab charger is probably one of the most important accessories you can buy for your tablet, ensuring optimal charging speeds and protecting your device's battery health. In this video, we will explore the key factors to consider when choosing a charger, helping you find the perfect match for your Samsung Galaxy Tab, whether it's for fast charging capabilities, compatibility with different models, or simply a reliable and safe charging solution that extends the life of your tablet. Number 5. PWR USB Charging Cable. This cable is compatible with many Samsung Galaxy tablets. It's designed for both charging and data syncing. Enjoy the convenience of a 6.5-foot cable. It gives you plenty of reach and flexibility. It seamlessly charges your tablet and transfers data. It's a simple solution for your charging needs. This cable works with a wide range of Samsung Galaxy Tab models. Check the compatibility list to ensure it fits your device. It comes with a 30-day refund and a 24-month exchange warranty. We're confident you'll love it. PWR Plus is a WA, USA-based company dedicated to providing excellent customer support. We stand behind our products. What we like. It boasts an extra-long cable for convenient charging. If you need a reliable replacement with a generous return policy, this is it. With its extended warranty, you're covered for any issues that may arise. What people say. No more charging problems. Stays 100% the whole time while plugged in. The game I play on my tablet really eats battery on any format, so that says a lot. And when I did let it go dead, which has only happened while not plugged in, no problem with recharging. This cable is very long, and works fine as a data cable. For charging, even with the OEM 2-amp charger, this only charges maximum around 600 mAh, standard USB rates. The cord is long and does provide some charge. If your battery is half depleted, it will take pretty much a full night to recharge. I started my Note 10.1 at 15% going to bed, and in the morning it was around 85%. It works so well, it has in fact become a tool in my repair business. I regularly transfer large data files and instructional videos back and forth. The cable charges quickly and transfers data as fast as possible. The cable comes well built with a proper sheath surrounding 28-gauge wire, with strong injection-molded plugs on both ends. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Micro USB Charger. This charger is designed for your Samsung Galaxy tablet. It provides a fast and safe charging experience. It's compatible with a wide range of Samsung Galaxy Note and Tab models. Just check your device's connector before ordering to ensure compatibility. The extra-long 5-foot cable gives you the flexibility to use your tablet while it charges. It also supports data transfer. It has multiple safety features, including overheat, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection. It's also UL listed and certified. With an input of 100-240V and an output of DC 5V2A, it delivers reliable power for efficient charging. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 30-day refund and a 12-month free replacement for defective items. What we like. This charger prioritizes safety with its UL listing and multiple safety certifications. If you value peace of mind and a long-term warranty, this is the perfect choice. The extended replacement period ensures you're well protected. What people say. Charges faster than the old one. It fits right, charges fast, and has a good cord length. Charger is perfect, would definitely recommend. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab E-Charger Kit. This kit provides everything you need to charge your Samsung Galaxy Tab E8.0 quickly and efficiently. It includes both a fast charger and a high-quality micro USB cable. Experience significantly faster charging speeds with its adaptive fast charging technology. It uses dual voltages to get you up to 50% charged in just 30 minutes. It intelligently switches between 9V and 5V to optimize charging for your device. This ensures the fastest and safest charging experience possible. While it's designed for optimal performance with the Samsung Galaxy Tab E8.0, it will still charge your device faster than a standard charger, even if it doesn't fully support adaptive fast charging. The included micro USB 2.0 cable offers convenient charging from any USB power source, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. It's perfect for travel and everyday use. Charge it from your laptop, power bank, or wall outlet. Enjoy the flexibility and speed. What we like. It offers adaptive fast charging for significantly quicker charging times. If you need a fast charge and have a compatible device, this is your best option. The dual voltage ensures compatibility and speed, even if your device doesn't fully support fast charging. What people say. Good quality, great price, and fits just like it is supposed to and charges well. This was a good buy. Durable ampersand worked perfectly on my tablet. Keeps charge. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab Rapid Charger. This rapid charger is designed for a quick and efficient charge for your Samsung Galaxy Tab. It's compatible with various models, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. It works with many Samsung Galaxy Tab models, including the Tab A 7.0, 8.0, 9.7, and 10.1, as well as other select models. Please check the compatibility list to ensure it fits your device. The extra-long 5-foot cable offers flexibility in charging locations. Charge it at home, in the office, or even on the go. This charger has multiple safety features, including overheat, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection. It's UL listed, and CE/FCC RoHS certified for your peace of mind. Your purchase includes a rapid wall charger and a micro USB charging cable. We also offer a 30-day refund and a 12-month free replacement guarantee. Different versions of the same model may have different power connectors. Please verify your device's connector type before ordering to ensure compatibility. What we like. This charger provides a rapid charge for your tablet. If you need a fast and safe charging solution, this is a great choice. The UL listing and extended replacement policy offer peace of mind. What people say. Worked very well. This is a great replacement charger for my Samsung Tab A 9.7 tablet. Charges my tablet from 15 to 100% extremely fast. Love the longer cord too. The replacement charger has worked well to keep the tablet ready to use. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Type-C Charger Cable. This charger is designed for a fast and reliable charge. It's compatible with a wide range of Samsung Galaxy tablets and phones. It works perfectly with many Samsung Galaxy Tab models, including the Tab A, Tab S series, and Tab Pro. It also charges select Galaxy S series phones. This charger has multiple safety features, including overheat, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection. It's UL, CE, FCC, and RoHS certified for your peace of mind. With a 5V2A output and an extra-long 5-foot cable, it provides a fast charge wherever you need it, at home, the office, or in your car. You get a USB wall charger and a Type-C charging cable. We offer a 30-day refund and a 12-month free replacement warranty. This charger is only compatible with USB Type-C devices. It will not work with micro USB devices. What we like. This charger features a USB Type-C cable for modern devices. If you have a newer Samsung tablet with a Type-C port and need a fast and reliable charger, this is perfect. The long warranty provides additional reassurance. What people say. Very good specific product description for compatibility. Felt confident this cord and charger would fit my Tab A after ordering 2 others from other places that did not fit. Fits good, charges good, hope it lasts. Not all chargers work with the 10.1A tab, but this one does. Bought this for use. A Samsung tablet listed in the compatibility description. Technically, the charger works fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.